Hi, and I am back yet again unpacking Itonga. Now, guys, the opening scene, it was Uzama who was trying so hard to impress the Magwazes, and this comes after Uzama has had an idea, or rather a feeling, that she and Sanele should be together. This is after, obviously, Banele is trying to hint Uzama and Usanele as well that they should be together. But again, Usanele has fought it so hard, but it was too late, way too late, because Usanele has already fallen for Uzama, and there are things they kind of went a bit out of hand when they kind of make up. And after the kiss that they had, Sanele's senses suddenly came back that he is actually in love with Umbali, and he wouldn't want anything to come between him and Umbali. And this deeply, deeply hurts Osama. Now, also, you would know that Pinda has been trying his luck, his chances with Osama, and Osama has been, repeatedly rejecting Upinda. So Upinda decided to say, you know what, let me go and show Osama exactly that Usanele has been in love with his girlfriend Uzama. Zama lost it. Zama lost it immediate, and in a way she felt like she was being used by Usanele, because she kind of thought that their relationship would progress into being something, but now realizing and seeing that actually Sanele has chosen to be with Ozama even after they shared a kiss. Zama confided in one of her friends that Sanele will most likely regret what he did. Now, Zama's family, I don't know what to call them, honestly speaking, angazi ukuthi ngizothi bayini, but bayamaqola in a way, because it seems like everyone in their hometown must pay taxes to her family, to her father. If you own a small business, if you own a tech shop, if you own any kind of a small business, you have to pay your taxes to Zama's family. And it seems like Uzama all along, she was against the family business, whatever that his father does. He was totally against it. But now, Kesana Lalela, a broken heart can do just about anything. So Ozama decided that, you know what, maybe it's about time that she embraces and take over her father's business. Yokuba yiqola in a way, honestly speaking, ngizobiza ngokuthi bamaqola, because why is it that everyone who owns a small business within the community must pay some taxes kinda to her father? Zama decided that, you know what, she is most likely going to take this and use it into her advantage, to make sure that she is fighting the Hlatlas. Now, I don't understand why is Uzama fighting with the Hlatla family. Of course, I know that Mbali is the daughter of Hlatla and all that, but like, I don't understand why must Mbali suffer, or why must the Hlatla family suffer simply because of Usanele, one man. If Umbali wanted to play dirty, could have played dirty with Usanele, because in a way, she was heartbroken by Usanele, not by the Hlatlas. Kodwa ke Uzama was like, you know what, the weak shall suffer, okay, shall suffer. And when they say, wait, you know what they say, if you want to hurt someone, you better hurt them through their loved ones, hurt them through the people that they love mostly. So this is Zama's game card. This is Zama's game card saying, you know what, I am going to hurt Osanele so bad, and I've decided that I'm gonna use the people that he loves the most, because those are the people that he cares about. So guess what? Indeed, Zama briefed Upinda, When I tell you that Zama called Pinda into her bedroom and say, Pinda Lalela, Now that I am going to be taking over the family business, let me tell you what's going to be happening around here, okay? Oh, Dladla, they are too relaxed for people who are actually owing my dad some money, you know. Pinda tries to say, what do you mean, Zama? Like, oh, Dladla, nkose yami have belungile, that family bazilungele abakwazi ngisho uthi nje uzabalalela phinda, you must decide, you must pick your side very early and very quick, because I am telling you that family has been on my nerve for some time right now, and it's about time that they pay, you know. Pinda, I mean, Upinda is very much in love with Uzama. He will do just anything that Zama tells him to do, without even asking questions, you know, considering the fact that he also works for Zama's father and dearly in love with Uzama. So definitely Pinda is not a man here to call Uzama into order. But he's lost. He doesn't understand why is it that Zama feels like he has to make a point, prove a point towards the Dladla family. But ke Nkosi yami, Uphinda will do just anything that Zama says. So they do. They head over to the shop. You know, Uzama is just going there to provoke actually the Dladlas, especially Umbali. And likely when Zama went to the shop, found Umbali working a store sagubo, and she therefore said, lalela sisi, lalela no. Usongisiza unike yonke leya combo, you know. She ordered almost everything in the menu, and she then asked Umbali to calculate, you know, how much will it be. I think it's made around about 1,000. Listen, the Dladla family have financial difficulties. It seems like they were about to lose their store. They have a competitor and all that. So financially, they are not doing well. Zama knows this. Zama that's her fighting angle. That's her fighting angle. She therefore tells the Dladla family that everything that she ordered will be paid by them, meaning that she wants it for free. And she goes like, you all owe my father. So therefore, please, you know, Nkosi yami, umama wakadladla respects Uzama so much and say, lalela ngane yami, ayikho inkinga. I shall pay whatever that you think you want. I shall pay it the way it is, you know. And Uzama, not Uzama, I mean Umbali is so annoyed by Uzama, you know, and just saying, listen, ma, we cannot allow this girl, we can just not allow her to come and disrespect us like this. Umama Kambali tries to explain to my child, you don't understand, this is how the business works, okay? We owe her father money. Listen, Pinda is still shocked. Pinda is still confused. Pinda is still like, kodwa Zama, like, why? Like, abantu bakadladla, like, honestly, they've never overstepped or said anything bad to this family or to anyone in this community. Yindaba ubatreata kanjena. Of course Uzama doesn't want to say it, because Pinda, when he actually finds out the truth that Uzama is doing all this because of Usanele, Pinda will actually feel so stupid for helping Uzama. Because why is he helping Uzama when himself is in love with Uzama, and Uzama is kind of taking a vengeance because Umbali is with Usanele? He will definitely feel like an idiot when he actually finds out that Zama did not even care about him, was just kind of using him as a pawn, just so that ezosisa abantu bakwadladla obuhlungu. Yay, abantu bakwadladla Nkosi yami bangena enkingeni shi. And I can say that umuntu obafaka enkingeni Nkosi yami, it's their son who went and made a deal noNtanzi. And he goes back to Untanzi again. That guy, but he's young, you know, he's young, and he doesn't really have much of a great relationship with his father, because his father always just puts him down and belittles him and just say, pretty much hurtful things to him, of which he does make stupid decisions most of the time. And I know with his his father is supposed to just lift him up, instead of just putting him more down. But he doesn't make the most smartest decision ever. So still Gesana, and the way he comes back home so proud of himself that he has dealt with inkinga kaZama, saying lalelani, uZama will never come back here to just disturb our peace, because I went back to Zama's father. Do you understand what you're even saying? He goes like, I went back to Zama's father and we sorted it out. Zama's father is like, no, we're cool. His father, as usual, harshly schools him and be like, bro, you messed up again. Honestly, I am so ashamed to call you a son. And I think, yes, his father is a bit too hard on him, but then he puts the whole family on debts. Okay, they are on debts because they were under the impression that their son is studying to become a doctor, only to find out that he was lying. He was never really actually in school, and still he was taking money from his family, and his family were willing to be on debts just so that their son can graduate and actually become a doctor. So now when the truth was out, the family is left in so much debt. There was really no medicine degree that was being studied. So I can understand the father's frustrations. I really can. But honestly, I think at some point he just really needs to tone it down and not be this hard on that young boy, because the boy is growing so much anger, and the boy just will kinda, look up to someone, and I'm fearing that Ntanzi will be his more like an inspiration to him, because he doesn't have that within his father. Did Mbali not come back? Mbali, of course, came back. Mbali came back to the Dladlas and Lalela. Like lalelani yema lalelani indlela yokusebenza la ekhaya sizoshintsha. Sekuzodingakala ukuthi nikhokhe u-30% every month. 30% of your earnings. Oh my guys, are they even serious? Lalela, she supports her nonsense with a quote in the Bible that, of course, kubalulekile ukunikela back to those who helps you. Lalela, I've never, and I will never, ever in my life hear such nonsensical explanation. Of course, Umbali is just like lalela. Oh, like angeke kuze kwenzeke lokho, like never way. Sorry, soze. But then uZama uyasho ukuthi lalela, oh wena angikhulumi nawe, angazi ukuthi ubani nanokuthi ungenaphi kangako. But listen, if you all do not pay what you owe me by month end, of course nestoronyana senu lesi sizovalwa. Therefore, I don't know how you're all gonna survive. Are you all gonna survive on a teacher's salary? I definitely don't think so. Oh, Sana, to say this breaks my heart for the Dladlas, it's even an understatement. Moreover, because the Dladlas really don't understand. Like the Dladlas, they are in so much trouble, and they don't even understand that actually their children puts them in so much pressure and so much trouble that they are in. They were put by their children. One, their son went and made a deal with the devil. Two, their daughter, she kind of have an idea why is Zama coming for them, and she doesn't want to say it out loudly that, hey, I know why Zama is coming for our family this hard. It's simply because Uzama has a huge thing for Usanele, and now that it's not working out, she therefore wants to take revenge. She wants to take revenge, and she wants me to feel all the pain in the world. But Umbali chooses not to share that information with her parents as well. But luckily, Umbali shared that with boyfriend, Nkosi yami, Usanele. And Usanele being Sanele is like, no, listen, babe, I will take care of it. But Umbali is just like, no, the Makwazas are impossible and I don't really know how you work with them, but it's okay. You don't have to bend yourself for us. Sanele went to see Uzama, and Usanele is there to apologize because he understands that he might have hurt Uzama's feelings by the kiss, and it's kind of maybe mislead Uzama into thinking that there will be a potential romantic relationship between them. So he's there to offer his apology, to say, listen, Zama, I know that I might have overstepped and I'm dearly, dearly, dearly sorry. I just wouldn't want us to fight and our fights end up implicating people who are innocent. Listen, Uzama was willing to hear out the apology Sanele, but as soon as Usanele mentioned other people, Zama lost it. I'm like, what do you even mean by other people? Usanele is like, the Tlatlas are very innocent, good people. So Uzama is like, oh, so you're not really here to apologize. You are here to defend the Tlatlas. Lalela Sanele, I don't even want to hear your apology at this point. I need you gone. Gone. Sanele is like, no, Zama, you must hear me out. Honestly, I am sincerely sorry. But you don't have to be like that. You don't have to punish the Tlatlas for my mistakes. Hi guys, let me tell you, the apology Sanele did not go well. Now this makes me wonder if what's Uzama, because Zama is being very strict now towards Umbali and her family, and this makes me wonder if Umbali would just step back. What choice does she have right now? If she would just step back and allow everything to be, especially because you cannot let your family suffer simply because you are in love with someone, and shame, but you can see that the Tlatlas are suffering. So I think Umbali have a huge choice to make here, either to save her family's business, because at some point Uzama will tell Umbali, listen, you hold all the keys here. If you go and break up with Usanele and tell Usanele that you don't want Sanele anymore, perhaps I will, wipe off all the debts that your family owe me. So it's totally up to you at this point. So I one thing that I don't understand, like that I'm not even sure about, is will Zama be even willing to let go for Sanele, because now Sanele is the prize child. Sanele is the prize that must be won. Will Umbali be willing to let go for Sanele to save the family business? And how will Umakumalu takes this thing that there will be a potential romantic relationship developing between Uzama and Usanele, knowing very well how her eldest son passed on, the other twin brother passed on. And the funny fact is that Usanele will not know this up until in a very, very, very much later stage in the series, or rather in the soaping. But kesana asazi ukuthi iyozala nkomoni. Now, if you do enjoy and like our reviews, you will give this video a huge thumbs up, and please do make sure that you comment down below and tell us what do you think about iTonga, South Africa. Now, I will see you guys on the next one. Please do stay blessed, and I love you. Enjoy and like our reviews, you will give this video a huge thumbs up. And please do make sure that you comment down below and tell us what do you think about iTonga, South Africa. Now I will see you guys on